Hi friends, welcome back. We're going to talk today about determining if a triangle or if two triangles are similar based on their angles. Now in previous lessons we learned that there are 180 degrees in a triangle. So in this triangle that I have right here, you can see I have 66 degrees and 51 degrees. I'll need to find that other one by making sure that they all add up to 180. Here's what we do. So I'm going to call this guy angle C right in here. And we're going to say, okay, so we've got 66 plus 51 plus our angle C equals 180. Excellent. Now what we're going to do is combine some like terms and solve this. So we have 66 plus 51, and we end up with 117 plus C equals 180. We're going to subtract 117 from both sides. If we do that, we get C equals 63 degrees, 63 degrees. So angle C here is 63 degrees. That means we have a triangle with 66, 51, and 63. Over here we have 51 and 63. This is going to have to be 66 because you see this is 51 and 63 here. So that one is going to have to also be 66 right up here. So these triangles are similar because both of them add up to 180, but they also both have three angles that match. You need at least two angles that match because then the third one will obviously match. So now that we know that these are similar, let's try and solve for x down here. Here's what we've got to do. When you've got two similar triangles, you got to be really careful that you're matching up the right things. What I like to do is make sure that I've got, by marking them. So this is 66 to 51, I'm going to put one hash mark. 66 to 51, I'm going to put one hash mark. For 51 to 63, I'm going to put two little marks. 51 to 63, I'm going to put two marks. And then the last one, 66 to 63, is going to be three hash marks. This way I can make sure that I'm comparing the right things. So if I look at my triangle, this also helps us write what's called a similarity statement. I'll show you how to do that. We take triangle ABC. I said triangle ABC. We say that it is similar. We use that little squiggly line. And we've got to be careful here. Remember, we went 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. So over here, we're going to go 1 dash, so that's D, triangle DE, and then 2 dash, and then 3 dash, so DEF. Okay, so how can we use these to determine what our x is here? Well, over here, if we stack up, let's do the 1 dash over the 2 dash. So we've got our 1 dash over our 2 dash, just to kind of show you that part. That's going to be 3 over 5 equals, now we have to compare it correctly. So again, we're doing the 1 dash over the 2 dash, so we're going to do 9 over x. 9 over x. So now we've used these ratios to form a proportion. So now we just have to solve this proportion. We can do that by cross multiplying. When you have fraction equals fraction, cross multiply. 3 times x is 3x equals 5 times 9 is 45. To get that x by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 3, and we end up with x equals 15. So we have been able to solve this guy, and we say, okay, that is 15 because those triangles are similar. Hopefully this helps. Look forward to seeing you next time, guys.